Welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 280 divided by 7 in bracket 3 plus 1 bracket complete 5. This algebraic expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. They should start with parenthesis. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 is equal to 280 divided by 7 times 4 times 5. They think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So they do the multiplication. Is equal to 280 divided by 140. They do the division between 280 and 140. Is equal to 2. 2 is the wrong answer. 280 divided by 7 in bracket 3 plus 1 bracket complete 5. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of P stands for parenthesis. We should start with parenthesis. Parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. Is equal to 280 divided by 7 times 4 times 5. D stands for division. We do the division between 280 and 7. Is equal to 40 times 4 times 5. M stands for multiplication. Now we do the multiplication. Is equal to 800. 800 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट्स. वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.